Get the latest Zacks research, analysis, and rankings on exchange-traded funds in Exploring ETFs. We're going to talk about regional bank ETFs now with Nina Mishra, who is our ETF research director here at Zacks.com. So you say the financial ETFs were among the best performing last year.
Yes, they were the best performing, and the larger banks and the related ETFs, they were outperforming the smaller or regional banks.
Okay.
But that trend seems to be reversing this year. The regional banks seem to be doing better based on the results that we have seen so far. Like some of the largest banks, like Bank of America or Citigroup, did not perform so well, but some of the regional banks like BB&T or PNC or Comerica or Fifth Third, they have reported solid results this year. They are enjoying huge mortgage refinancing boom as the housing market recovers, and they have also seen solid loan growth, which is resulting in their outperformance.
But what has been some of the problems of the bigger banks?
The bigger banks are more exposed to regulatory risk, so they are now required to maintain higher capital. And higher capital means less risk, but it also means less profitability. They also have some exposure to Eurozone debt problems, and plus people in general are dissatisfied with the bigger banks because of their abusive lending practices earlier, or foreclosure-related abuses, or just impersonal service or higher fees. So they are trusting the smaller or regional players more now, and that is why the regional banks are seeing strong loan growth, and I expect that trend to continue this year.
Through this year?
Yeah.
You also say that the smaller banks have simpler business models, which makes doing business easier for them.
Yeah. In fact, the bigger banks are also trying to change their model from their more complicated models to traditional, simpler models, but that will take some time, whereas these banks already have simple models. They focus on local clients and the need of the local clients, and the local businesses or customers also feel that the local or regional players understand their needs better.
Makes sense. So you've got a couple of examples here of these regional bank ETFs. First one is PowerShare's KBW Regional Bank Portfolio.
Yes, the ticker is KBWR. It's a relatively new ETF. It was launched in November 2011. Charges an expense ratio of 35 basis points. It holds 50 securities, 50 regional banks, almost in equal weights. And it is a Zacks Rank 1 Strong Buy ETF, up 6.2% year to date.
Okay, and the second one then is the Spider S&P Regional Bank ETF?
Yeah, this is the older regional bank ETF. It was launched in 2006. This is also equal weighted, holds 79 regional banks and thrifts. It is Zacks Rank 3 Hold ETF as of now. It is up 5.8% year to date.
Okay, an interesting story on these regional bank ETFs. For other interesting ETF news and information, go to our ETF section of our website. Now you just go to Zacks.com's homepage and scroll down the homepage until you get to the ETF module near the bottom. Click on those links in that module and it'll take you to the ETF homepage on Zacks.com. With Nina, I'm Terry Ruffalo.